Hello, welcome back to Food is Medicine. Today, we're talking about a secret weapon in a can, Kipper snacks or canned herring. It may not look glamorous, but its health benefits are anything but. This affordable, low-calorie food can protect your heart, boost your brain, and help you build muscle, and help you lose weight. This truly is food is medicine. As a verb, kippering, to kipper, means to preserve by rubbing with salt or other spices before drying in the open air or in smoke. So, what makes canned herring so exceptional? Its incredible power comes primarily from one key nutrient, omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are vital for cell function and are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. But that's not all. Kipper snacks are also one of the best sources of high-quality protein, crucial for building and repairing muscle tissue. They are naturally low in calories, making them an excellent choice for a filling snack without overdoing it. They're also packed with vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and immune function, and they're rich in vitamin B12, a key nutrient for energy production and nerve health. This unique combination makes canned herring a true powerhouse, contributing to everything from strong bones to a robust metabolism. How much canned herring should you aim for to unlock these amazing benefits? A single can, about 3 to 4 ounces, is an excellent, filling, and low-calorie snack. It's easy to make it a daily habit. You can enjoy it straight from the can on whole grain crackers or mixed with a little mustard. Because they are ready to eat and don't require any cooking, they are a fantastic, convenient option for a healthy protein boost. Let's look at how canned herring acts as powerful medicine, targeting some of the most common health concerns. 1. Heart disease and high cholesterol. Kipper snacks are a star for cardiovascular health. The omega-3 fatty acids help lower triglycerides and blood pressure. They also reduce inflammation, which is a major factor in heart disease. Regular consumption can lower your risk of heart attack and stroke. 2. Inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many diseases. The omega-3 fatty acids in herring are powerful anti-inflammatory agents, helping to cool down inflammation throughout your body. This can help reduce symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. 3. Brain health and cognitive decline. Your brain is made of fat, and omega-3s are vital for its structure and function. Regular herring consumption is linked to improved memory, better cognitive function, and may help protect against age-related cognitive decline and diseases like Alzheimer's. 4. Depression and mood. The omega-3s in herring play a crucial role in brain function and mood regulation. Studies suggest that a higher intake of these fatty acids is associated with a lower risk of depression, and it can help improve mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety. 5. Muscle health and strength. As a complete protein source, herring provides the necessary building blocks for muscle repair and growth. Whether you're an athlete or just looking to maintain muscle mass, including Kipper snacks in your diet supports strong, healthy muscles. 6. Weight management and obesity. Canned herring is low in calories and high in protein, which makes it an excellent choice for weight management. The protein helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing overall calorie intake and aiding in healthy weight loss efforts. The secret to better health might just be in your pantry. By making Kipper snacks a regular part of your diet, you're embracing the true power of food as medicine, investing in a healthier future for your heart, brain, and entire body. What's your favorite way to enjoy Kipper snacks? Share your delicious ideas in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Food is Medicine for more evidence-based health insights. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.